that exist because the YouTube channel of the same name. You can learn more about us by visiting hamradiocrashcourse.com. Every week we meet to discuss what we've been up to with the fantastic hobby of amateur radio in the past week. And again, all hams are welcome to join in the fun tonight despite the conditions. So far for early check-ins, we've got N4ETU,
Kilo Echo 8 Romeo Hotel Whiskey.
Victor 5 Golf. Everyone else looking to join in the fun tonight, please come now. Give me your call sign phonetically. Another call. This is WAKJR for the HRCC Net. Anyone looking to check in anywhere, come now. Give me your call sign phonetically. All right, November 4, Alpha Tango Uniform. Would you mind taking a relay call for us? See what we get.
Okay, Evan, we'll give it a spin here. This is November 4, Alpha Tango Uniform, relay for net control, looking for check-ins for the Ham Radio Crash Course Weekly HF Net. Come now with your call sign.
Alpha Delta 4, Sierra Alpha, November Golf.
Okay, Alpha Delta 4, Sierra Alpha, and I heard ending golf. Go ahead. Whiskey 8 Fox November Golf. Hello, Jameson. Okay, anybody else? Check-ins. Looking for check-ins for the HRCC HF Net. Okay, November Alpha 9 Tango Echo. I believe that's correct. QSL? Okay, and he is in and out, Evan. Anybody else for the HRCC HF Net?
Kilo Echo 8 Romeo Hotel Whiskey.
Okay, Kilo Echo 8 Romeo Hotel Whiskey. Loudest one I've heard so far. Are you going to stick around for the net, or are you in and out, my friend?
Okay, I barely got you in there. I got probably +9 USB over here, and having to put a lot of notch filters just to pull you out of everything. So I'll be in and out today.
Roger. Thanks for checking in, my friend. This is N4ATU looking for check-ins for the HRCC HF Net. We go again.
But Italy Victor.
Ending Victor.
Yeah, November 7, Italy Victoria. And 7 Ida Victor.
Yeah, and 7 IV got you there, my friend. Are you going to stick around for comments, or are you going to be in and out?
Well, I'll stick around and listen for a bit.
All right, my friend. Appreciate you checking in. We got you on the list. You're very loud. One of the loudest stations I've heard on the band tonight. Looking for check-ins. Come now. Oh boy, Whiskey 2 Juliet. That's what I think I heard. Is that correct? Okay, I think that's Whiskey 2 Victor Charlie Tango. Is that correct? Okay, you came up. Whiskey 2 Juliet Charlie Tango. I got you marked as in and out, my friend. Anybody else looking for check-ins?
November 9, uniform X-ray.
And 9UUX, are you going to stick around, or are you in and out?
What net is this, sir?
Yes, this is the Ham Radio Crash Course Weekly HF Net. If you care to stick around, once we get to you on the list, you can just talk about what you've been doing in this great hobby of ours It's just a friendly group of amateurs. Go ahead.
Well, the band's up and down. I guess I'll just be in route then this time, sir. Maybe next time I'll check in, stick around, but conditions aren't the greatest.
You're not kidding about that. All right, thanks for checking in, my friend. Drop by anytime. This is N4ATU looking for check-ins for the HRCC HF Net.
All right, 7 days. Thanks for picking me up.
Okay, Hotel Oscar, what's your prefix? Ending Hotel Oscar. Okay, got the relay there. November 8, Charlie, Hotel Oscar. Got you in there. Anybody else? Check-ins. Looking for check-ins for the HRCC HF Net. Looking for check-ins for the Ham Radio Crash Course Weekly HF Net. All right, we'll give one last call here, Evan. This is N4ATU, Relay for Net Control, looking for check-ins for the Ham Radio Crash Course Weekly HF Net. Come now with your call sign. And hearing nothing, I'll send it back to you, Evan, N4ATU.
Okay, Stephen, thanks for your help tonight. Appreciate it. This is going to be a short one. Bands are definitely not cooperating. So, let's see here. I'm going to take one more call from my end. This is Whiskey 8 Kilo, Juliet Romeo for the Ham Radio Crash Course Net. If you'd like to check in, please come now. Give me your call sign phonetically. Okay, nothing heard. I tell you what, Steven, this is going to be a really quick net. I'm going to let you relay through the ones that we have, and we're going to call it a night because apparently people are hearing you and nobody is hearing me.
Okay, so let's see. Let's go through the list here. Well, I guess I'll run my math here for just a second. Not much going on here. That's all I got. So hopefully I'm reading this list right. We're going to go down to Whiskey Victor 5 Golf. Tell us what you've been doing this weekend, Ham Radio. Whiskey Victor 5 Golf. It's your turn, my friend. Go ahead.
WV5G, go ahead.
All right, he must have stepped away. We'll move down the list here to Alpha Delta 4 Sierra Alpha. Scott, tell us what you've been doing in ham radio this week, my friend.
Hey, good evening to the net. Thanks for letting me transmit just so I don't have to hear that horrible racket. Not much going on here. Hope to finish my hex beam here this weekend and trying out a new heater.
I heard everything you said. I'll throw it back to you. There was a double there, but I guess you guys can't hear each other. Go ahead, Steven. Pick it up with 84SA, all right?
Okay, well, I think you just went. So, yeah, 40's not doing too well. Scott, did you go there?
Affirmative, 84 SA. I just transmitted a minute ago.
Okay. Well, if you'd like to repeat, you certainly can, or if not, we'll move on to the next one. Go ahead.
Go ahead on to the next one. I don't think anybody could hear me anyway. You're about the only one I've got a copy on. 84 SA.
All right, my friend. You're 5'8" on my meter here, so you're making it to Tennessee. All right, let's move on down to Mike. Kilo Echo 8, Romeo Hotel Whiskey. This is N4A to you. It's your turn for your over. Go ahead, my friend.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. I'm not sure who can hear me and who can't. So, yeah, this is Mike, Kilo Echo 8, Romeo Hotel Whiskey over in Michigan, and using the DX Commander right now. Just got it up. Just been using it for a couple weeks now. but had a few issues. It kept collapsing on me, so I just kept having to take it down and reclamp everything and string it back up. But seems to be holding tight right now. Got a couple inches of snow on the ground out here in Michigan right now. And other than that, haven't been doing too much. Been doing a lot of 2-meter local type work on the radios. But other than that, been laying low, working a lot. So, anyways, I'll hand it back to you guys. I gotta tell you, the band's really bad out here for me, so it doesn't sound like I'm the only one. But anyway, 73s, everybody. Have a great night. Kilo Echo 8, Romeo Whiskey. Back to I think it's you, 7.
Yeah, appreciate you checking in there, Mike. Man, that Diggs Commander is doing good for you. You're coming in 5-8 to Tennessee, so that snow is not a problem at all. Okay, let's move down to, I believe, the last one on our list here. November 7, India Victor. Joseph, my friend, tell us what you've been doing this week in ham radio. Go ahead.
Well, very good, guys. This is November 7, Italy Victor. And, it's been kind of a busy week for us here. We have a couple of children in town. One's an 11-year-old and one is a 13-year-old, and they got their novices this summer. And they're trying to resurrect an old high school club at their school. And went into, I guess I was the trustee at the school a long time ago on their club license. We got that renewed, and went in there expecting to talk to 2 or 3 kids, maybe 4 more kids or something like that, and we had over 20 kids show up, so that's pretty exciting. That's kind of what we were doing in ham radio, so who knows, we may get 20 new junior high school age hams in town. That's about it. You guys are all loud here. I can copy everybody. I'm running a vertical here. It's a quarter-wave vertical with 128 radials, and the rig's a Flex 6500 driving an RF kit amp, one of the old ones. Right now, it's just about the legal limit, a little bit, well, about 1,400 watts. So back she comes. I think it goes to you. I'll try to see if Evan can hear me. W8KJR, this N7IV.
November 7, India Victor. This is Kilo Juliet Romeo. You are 5-9 plus 5 into Northwest Ohio tonight, and I appreciate you checking by the net. Over to you.
Yeah, very good. It was nice to check in. I'm sorry nobody's hearing. People aren't hearing each other, but the band conditions up here are wonderful. If I didn't mention it, CTH Minot, Mexico, India, November, Ontario, Tango, in the state of North Dakota, about 50 miles from Canada and 110 miles from Montana. Back to you.
Between 30 and 40 people in here on the net with us tonight. I know a few of them tried and already gave up. So you are getting the job done, my friend. Appreciate you checking in with us tonight. And my appreciation to Stephen and for ECU with assisting us with relays tonight. Otherwise, we wouldn't have nearly as many. So with that, I will take you to stand by for seconds for the ham radio crash course of net. This is W8KJR. If you're looking to join the fun tonight, please come now with your call sign phonetically. Was that Alpha 0 Zulu? Is that Kyle? Okay, I'm pretty sure that was you, Kyle. I got a rough copy tonight.
Yeah, Roger, that's him, and he's getting ready for the contest tomorrow.
Okay, thanks for the relay. Man, I know it's bad because Kyle and I usually have a plus 20 pass. Thanks for the help here, Joe. Much appreciated.
That's amazing. I'm hearing everybody. Everybody's loud. Oh, well.
I guess you're the only person in the country that's not affected by the storm tonight. Well, I appreciate your assistance, and good to have you in here with us. Anybody else looking to check in before we shut this thing down real early tonight? WHHR is at control. Come now. There's a station with a 5, again. Was that Whiskey X-Ray 0? Was that Mike? WX0MIK?
No, this is M708. You want to read it?
Yeah, if you don't mind, go ahead.
Yeah, I missed the very end of the call. You might be on a remote or something, but it's November 5, Sierra Kilowatt, and I think Tango, but I'm not sure about the last letter of the call. You want to give that to us again, the M5? Evan, it's November 5, Sierra Kilowatt Tango, and you can mark him in and out.
Okay, QSL. I heard enough of it that time, and I recognize his voice. I know Don, so thanks for your help there, Joe. I was doubting that, and I thought there might have been a double, because I also thought I might have heard another familiar call with Mike. Mike, are you trying to go in there too, WX0MIK? Well, maybe not. Okay. One more call, we're going to wrap this up. Anyone else for the HRCC Net? Come now, please. Okay, nothing heard. Well, I would like to say a huge thank you to N7IV for being the loudest signal on the band tonight and for helping us out with some relays. For your first time on the net, I appreciate you just jumping in there and getting right to work in spite of the conditions this evening. So with that, this has been WHHR, the Signal Radio Crash Course, the weekly HF Net. Certainly great to have that exists because of the YouTube channel of this team. And you can learn more about us at hamradiocrashcourse.com. So we'll say 73, and hopefully you can join us again next week at 2:30 UTC here on 40 meters. 7-3 to all. This is WHHAR. Clear.